So we chose course material, our first metric, because our focus will be towards the student. If we want to help them, we must be able to teach them. Not being able to teach with the proper materials that they will empower them to succeed will make our job much more difficult and our purpose will not be fulfilled. When we have acquired the necessary materials, having proper places to teach and coach our students will support their development and will give them a place to practice what they have learned to ensure what they are prepared to enter the real world. The real world has powerful tools that will add our work and help our students to excel. Having the internet in our facilities and giving our students the knowledge to find internet connection will help them practice what they have learned while using the necessary tools to communicate with people all across the world without having to travel to either location. Teaching students how to communicate through services like Zoom, Skype, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp will give them the opportunity to build a business, communicate with friends who live in other countries. The last metric that we will focus on is marketing. We want our students to bring their friends and to spread the news by word of mouth through social media platforms, where we will pay for advertising on Google Ads, but at the same time hope to minimize this cost. Evolving English is our biggest strength and our value proposition statement. With a strong core, the rest will follow suit. Our biggest weakness is our early evangelist group. We will need to secure early evangelists right from the start so we have the right funding to start as soon as possible. Our biggest opportunity is our customer viral group. Satisfying our customer segment will help spread the word about our cause. And our biggest threat is the government support. Our nonprofit needs to abide by all government rules and regulations, but will need the support of our local officials. We will need the support in this manner to be in compliance with our local officials. From our initial canvas, the most significant pivots made were our value proposition statement and customer segment. Each box will continue to have its own individual improvements, but our deepest wish was to promise our students that evolving English would help them better their futures and their careers. Interviewing different potential customers helped us mold our goals into exactly what the customers were looking for. We are excited to see the amount of lives that will be impacted by our nonprofit Evolving English organization and look forward to teaching many more students in the years to come. Thank you.